Right now, there's money in your bank account. Legally, it isn't yours. The moment your salary landed, it stopped being your money and became the bank's, and the bank can lend it out before you wake up tomorrow. You didn't save it, you lent it, and almost nobody realizes they made that deal. Meet Anjali, her salary just landed 80,000 rupees. In her head, the bank is a giant safe. She put money in and it's being kept for her, but that's not the deal she actually made. When Anjali deposits money, she hands ownership of it to the bank. From that second, the bank simply owes her 80,000. She didn't store her money, she lent it. Anjali isn't a saver, she's the bank's lender, and this isn't my opinion. India's Supreme Court has said it plainly. Money you put into a bank becomes the bank's money. The bank is just bound to return the same amount when you ask. So where does Anjali's 80,000 actually go? Not into a vault. Within days, sometimes the same day, the bank lends it out to someone buying a home, a shop buying stock, someone swiping a credit card. In India, banks lend out roughly 80 rupees of every 100 they hold. The rest isn't lying idle either. The RBI forces every bank to keep a small cushion, a little parked with the RBI itself, a bit more locked in government bonds. But the bulk of Anjali's salary, it's already out the door, working as somebody else's loan. Which leads to the question that should be forming in your head right now. If the bank lent out almost everyone's money, what happens if everyone shows up asking for it back on the same day? The honest answer, it isn't all there. No bank on earth keeps everyone's cash lying around. And that's not a scam. It's literally how banking works. Everywhere, every country, every bank. Your money was never in a box with your name on it. It's a promise. Now, before you pull everything out and stuff it under your mattress, here's the safety net, and it's a real one. If your bank ever fails, the government guarantees your money back, up to 5 lakh rupees per bank. It's an insurance called DICGC, and since 2020 it even covers your interest, paid out in about 90 days. When Yes Bank nearly went under in 2020, not a single depositor lost their savings. That's the system working exactly as designed. But here's the one thing worth actually remembering. That guarantee stops at 5 lakh per bank. Anything above that, and you're trusting the bank to stay healthy. So the single smartest move this whole video can give you, if you keep more than 5 lakh in one bank, split it across banks. Each bank gives you a fresh 5 lakh of cover. That's it. Your money was never sitting in a box. It's a promise, and now you know exactly how far that promise is guaranteed. One last thing before you go, that money the bank lent out, it doesn't vanish. It gets spent and lands right back in another bank as someone else's deposit. The same rupees now sitting behind 2 accounts at once, which raises a genuinely strange question. If your money can be in 2 places at the same time, how much money actually exists? That's where we go next.